If you want to protect your WordPress site, one of the smartest things you can do is create a full backup of both your website files and your database. In this video, I'll show you how to back up a WordPress website on Bluehost step by step so you can save everything safely on your computer before making major changes, updating plugins, or troubleshooting issues. This is a really useful habit for every website owner because backups can save you a huge amount of time and stress if something ever goes wrong. And if you want more tutorials like this, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy WordPress guides. Let's get into it. First, log into your Bluehost account. Once you're inside the dashboard, look at the left-hand menu and click on Websites. This will show you all the websites connected to your hosting account. Find the WordPress website you want to back up, then click Manage Site. On the site management page, you'll see several tools and options for your WordPress installation. To start backing up your website files, go to Files and Access, then open File Manager and click Manage. This will take you into the file system for your hosting account. Now you need to locate the folder where your WordPress site is installed. In many cases, this will be public_HTML, but if your site is installed in a custom folder, open that specific directory instead. Inside the folder, you'll see all of your WordPress files, including themes, plugins, uploads, and core site files. To back everything up, click Select All so every file and folder is highlighted. After that, click Compress. Bluehost will ask you what type of archive you want to create, and you should choose Zip Archive. ZIP files are the recommended format for manual backups because they're easy to store, move, and restore later. Next, give the backup file a clear name such as WordPress files backup.zip so you can recognize it later. Once the name is entered, click Compress Files. Bluehost will now create a zipped copy of your WordPress files. Depending on the size of your website, this may take a moment, so just wait for the process to finish. When the zip file appears in File Manager, select it and click Download. Save it to a safe location on your computer, like a backups folder or an external drive. Now that your website files are saved, the next important step is backing up your WordPress database. This part is just as important because your database stores your posts, pages, settings, comments, and other dynamic content. To do that, go back to the Bluehost dashboard and return to Websites, then click Manage Site again. From the Overview tab, find and click phpMyAdmin. phpMyAdmin is the tool Bluehost provides for managing and exporting databases. When phpMyAdmin opens, look for the database used by your WordPress site and click to select it. If you manage multiple databases, make sure you choose the correct one for the website you're backing up. After selecting the database, click the Export tab at the top. For a simple manual backup, choose the Quick Export method and leave the format set to Skill. The SQL format is what you want because it creates a complete database export that can later be restored if needed. Once those options are selected, click Export or Go depending on what you see on your screen. Your browser will download the database as an n.scul file. Save this file in the same backup folder as your zip archive if possible, so both parts of your backup stay together. At this point, you now have the two essential pieces of a complete WordPress backup, the website files zip and the WordPress database SQL file. That means if your site ever breaks, gets hacked, or you simply need to move it, you'll have the files and the database ready to restore. I also recommend storing a copy somewhere outside your hosting account, such as on your local computer, an external drive, or secure cloud storage. That extra copy gives you more protection and makes your backup much safer. So to quickly recap, you log into Bluehost, open your site in Websites, use File Manager to compress and download your WordPress files, then export your database through phpMyAdmin as an SQL file. It's a simple process once you know where everything is, and it can save you from major headaches later. If this tutorial helped you, please like the video and subscribe for more WordPress and Bluehost tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.